Not only does it make dishes taste more savory and delicious, the benefits of red onions are also not small. Ranging from maintaining heart health to preventing cancer. Various nutritional content in red onion makes it very good for health. Shallots are one of the most widely cultivated types of shallots in Southeast Asia. Just like garlic, onions are also often used as a spice to add flavor to dishes. Not only as a cooking spice, red onion has also long been known as one of the traditional Indonesian medicines, which is believed to be able to overcome various health problems, ranging from constipation, coughs and colds, to insomnia. The benefits offered by red onions certainly cannot be separated from the nutritional content in it. The following are some of the nutrients contained in red onions: carbohydrates, protein, fiber, iron, calcium, folate, magnesium, potassium, zinc. Not only that, red onions also contain organic sulfur compounds and various antioxidants, such as flavonoids, polyphenols, quercetin, and saponins. There are several benefits of red onions that are good for the health of the body, including 1. Maintain heart health. Studies show that the nutritional content in onions can prevent blood clots and reduce the buildup of fat or bad cholesterol in the blood vessels. Not only that, red onions also contain allicin, a type of organic sulfur compound that can dilate blood vessels. The combination of these benefits makes onions good for consumption to improve blood circulation in the body, maintain heart health, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Control blood sugar levels. Not only maintaining heart health, red onions are also believed to lower blood sugar levels while increasing insulin hormone levels in the body. These benefits make onions good for consumption by people with type 2 diabetes. 3. Counteract the effects of free radicals. Onion is a plant that is rich in antioxidants. This content is able to protect the body's cells from the effects of exposure to free radicals that can trigger various diseases, such as cancer. Not only that, some research also shows that the antioxidant content in shallots has the potential to inhibit the development of degenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. 4. Maintain kidney function. Another benefit of onion is to maintain kidney function. A study shows that consumption of red onions can reduce uric acid levels and creatinine levels in the body, so that kidney health is better maintained. However, so far this research has been limited to laboratory trials. Therefore, the effectiveness of shallots to maintain kidney function still needs to be studied further. 5. Relieves allergic reactions. When a person experiences an allergic reaction, the body will release histamine substances that trigger various allergy symptoms, such as watery eyes and itching of the skin and nose. Shallots are known to contain the antioxidant quercetin, which acts like an antihistamine, thereby reducing the symptoms of allergic reactions. However, the effectiveness and safety level of shallots to relieve allergic reactions still requires further research. In addition to the above benefits, red onions are also believed to relieve cold and cough symptoms, improve digestion, prevent constipation, and maintain ideal body weight. To get the maximum benefits of red onions, you can consume them by processing them into various types of dishes or adding them to soups and salads. Do not cook it by frying, because this method can eliminate the nutrients of shallots that are beneficial to health. In addition, you also need to supplement your daily nutritional intake by eating other healthy foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and foods that contain protein. Enough of this useful video, and see you later.